Show me your balls. Please.
Right, show her your balls.
Yeah.
Alexa, you gotta keep asking them.
Please. Please, Ryan. Beautiful. Yes, you do. You do, Ryan.
Ask him again, Alexa.
Please just show me your balls. Found it. Just look around. Please. Where's Ryan? No.
What do you want him to do, Alexa?
I want to see what color his balls. Please, Ryan. Please! Please, Ryan! Please! What? Please don't let me see them!
Right, show her your balls. She wants to see them.
I don't know what color Ryan's balls are. Please don't show me them! Ryan, please!
Right.